Okay, we have this big structure. I'm walking, so it's gonna be. I have this big structure that my husband and my son made years and years ago. And we park all our vehicles and stuff under it in the winter. And, slowly the tamaracks rot away. Whoa, you okay? Ooh, that was close, sweetie. So the whole backside, all the snow falls down there. So the whole backside, the snow drops down and piles up. So it rotted away 3 of these. So we had to cut down some tamaracks. And now he's got to dig them down there. How far in the ground are they, hun? I'm videoing.
It's only about 4.5 feet.
4.5 feet down, so he had to dig out the old ones.
Actually, it's about 4.3 now. I'll put some more dirt down.
And then brace this up. I'm going to get out of the way. Dig the hole. And he's got to do 3 of these. And this one took all day because our backhoe isn't a real backhoe. It's kind of a backhoe attachment, but we use it. He put a motor on it and runs it by itself, so it can't handle the whole thing. But so he's going to have to do that one and that one. You can see how tall it is. So this side's like 10 feet, and the other side's. How tall do you think the other side is, sweetie?
About 22 feet.
22 feet in the air. It's been we've had it for about 10 years, I think. Nathaniel was about 10 when they built it. But it's part of living out here. The snow destroys stuff. It was a good thing that we were cleaning it out to move some things here, and he noticed that they were rotted. I mean, completely rotted. If I can find the post. I'm going to pause this. So that is the bottom that was right above the ground. That was just rotted away from the moisture. I had to cut it off there to get it down, using a pump jack to raise it so he can put that in place. Okay, over.